Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are here with another video on how to trade unusual movers. If you have missed our previous video where we discuss in detail about when to enter, how to find, what are the risk management that we follow while trading this, what is the exit, what is the entry, and the potential of trading unusual movers, I would recommend you to go and watch that video. I'm going to post the link below for your reference. Feel free to watch that video. For today's ticker is ISIG. So as you can see, I got an alert from this free group. I'm going to post the link for that group below as well. Feel free to join that. I got alert for ISIG in this free group at 8:53. This is a central time. And as soon as I get the alert in the group, what I do, I go into a 5-minute chart. You can use any platform. I'm using Think or Swim here. 5-minute chart, and the first step that I do is I find out on which candle I had alert. For this example, I'm in the central time. My alert came at 8:53. So definitely, this is a 5-minute candle. It ended up at 8:55. So alert came somewhere in between 8:50 and 8:55. The first step is to find out, as I'm bullish on this stock, first bullish on this alert. First step is to find out what was my highest high considering the pre-market. Once I find the highest high, I draw a price line. And if this price line breaks, this is what I want to enter, right? So 8:54, if 8:55, I found my candle. This is my highest high. I draw a price line. I set up alert. So if price breaks this price line, then I will get an alert on my phone from Think or Swim application that this has broke your resistance, and I will use that level as a resistance for the day. Once it breaks, I would enter it. So I got an entry in ISIG at $7.97, and it went up all the way to the $16, almost more than 100% in a day, just trading a stock. Along with that, I also manage my risk. What I do is I also keep a stop loss for my position that I enter. So as soon as I get an alert, I find out after the alert how low it went. And if it went below, how low it went, right? And after the entry, this will be my stop loss. If price cross after breaking the price line or after breaking the resistance, if it goes below and break the support, I will close my position in the loss. But that did not happen. Hope you guys like it, right? Let me know if you have any question, anything that you want me to cover for the next video. Feel free to do so. Thanks for watching.